In this episode, we will show you how you can support your young grant makers in conducting their very own scoring process. This will help them make their final decisions of who to fund in their community. We will talk through why you would use a scoring system in the first place, what methods you can use to score along with the templates and tools you need, and how to prepare your young people to be ready to conduct their own scoring process. In order to find the relative information and activities to conduct with your young people in your sessions on scoring, you will find it on the learning platform on phase 4, the grant making process. When you click in here, if you go on tab 3 and scroll down, you will see two different methods, the flat scoring system and a weighted scoring system, which I will go through in the next steps in this episode. The other things you will need are some templates. So you'll find under more on learning tools, if you scroll down to information sheets, and you click in here, information sheet 16, 17 and 18 are the three that are relevant to the scoring process. Information sheet 16 gives you a template of how to put together a YouthBank continuum scoring. It also has on the bottom some templates for you to use to actually make scoring cards. Information sheet 17 outlines a structured way in text for you to follow of how to make decisions about applications. And finally, information sheet 18 gives some general comments and hints and tips for you to use and to keep in mind when you're conducting scoring with your young people. We will look at these all in greater details in the next steps in this episode. So let's just remind ourselves again on what has happened prior to getting to the stage of decision making and scoring. So young people will have received their application forms into their YouthBank. They will have conducted some shortlisting in order to decide who goes through to interview stage. They will have recorded and written up the reports of the key information and facts that they've heard in the interview stage. And now they will have all the details and information ready to make their final decisions on who receives grants.